I'm here at Flawborough Farms. We've got Ben in the Claas 8900 Lexion. It's just about to unload on this headland. This has got a McDon FD 241 flex draper header on, and he's just turned the auger on. That's now empty. We'll bring the auger in. And now looking at this McDon in extreme slow motion, as I slow that down a little bit more, you can see the reel is making sure that that wheat is still upright as it hits the knives at the bottom, and then it passes the wheat back onto the belt behind on the header. The belt then takes that wheat and takes it into the centre of the combine where it's fed inside. So just chasing the combine down now in this FENDT 728 Vario, and what a fantastic tractor this is. There's Claas. We've got the Bailey trailer on the back, and we're just chasing Ben down in the Claas Lexion 8900. If you look at the top there, you can see that is nearly full. We'll probably unload on the headland just at the edge of this field. And check out this triaxle trailer and Unimog. What another great tractor for carting. Got good speed with Unimogs on the road as well.